Diane in Denmark here, not feeling like doing your morning routine today? Neither was I. Good morning. First thing I need is coffee. We look out the window, a bit of a wet morning today. Then I'll get the washing on. Now it's shower time and I've got the candle going this morning as it's so dark and dreary and wet here. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the church bells going outside. I've got the windows open to air the bedroom. I've got my outfit ready to go. I've chosen lemon yellow for today because it's been a rainy week all week and I wanted to add a wee bit of sunshine. So let me jump into those and get my makeup on and my hair done. And while the laundry's on the final spin, I'll get yesterday's stuff folded and put away. So I hope that gave you a wee bit motivation to get started on your morning routine today. Remember, you can always turn around your day. If you're having a bad day, just do your morning routine. You don't need to be doing it 7 o'clock in the morning. You can do it at 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 7 o'clock in the evening, where we're just getting moving again, putting one foot in front of the other. And if you need some help to know what to put on your morning routine, which order to do things, I've got lots of help for you in my Fly Lady Refresher course. I shall put a link up there and a link down below. And now I need to get going out the door. So live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. And I'll see you very soon with a ra ra ra.